Sometimes we've gotta turn off our minds, just like we turn off the news. Get so tired of analyzing, we need to improve the mood. When the pressure needs release, someone get the DJ please. We're gonna keep
The most memorable and defining moment of organizing events, especially on setup, makikisalamuha ka sa iba't ibang suppliers or sa iba't ibang tao, and namamanage ko yung different people. Doon na i-execute ko yung discipline, yung time management, and syempre, may execute namin yung plan. Yun yung pinaka masaya or yung fulfilling moment para sa akin.
Pag nakikita namin nakangiti yung mga tao during program, doon namin na-feel na lahat ng hard work namin na ginawa during registration process, claiming process. Doon namin nakikita na lahat ng pinaghirapan namin nag-pay off kasi nakikita namin yung participants na all smiles, happy, and nag-enjoy sa program.
When the sky is falling down, let's turn up the music loud.
Stress and pressure are always part of mass participating events. We just have to accept that everyone has their limit and that's okay. We just need to appreciate the little things that our team is doing every event, and we just need to get better on the things we need to improve on. In the end, it's always about determination, it's always about teamwork, it's always about loving what we do and appreciating the people around us.